Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we are going to deliver a 3-in-1 laser welding machine. As you can see, this is a logo for our customer in Poland. So this machine we are going to deliver to Poland, and we just do customization for them. And you can see we can do your logo, print your logo on the cabinet. So if you want to also laser machine, we can do such service. And let me introduce. So the main parts is the same. The laser source is the best one in China, the Rakers. And this is the water cooler. This is temperature, you see. And just from 20 centigrade to 35 centigrade, so its laser source can be working normally. And this is the water level, so the water can be filled here, okay. And the third part is welding head, this one. Let me introduce. This one is just very popular in China. It's a 3-in-1 laser head, and the design very scientific and very beautiful. Also, it can have 3 functions. It can do cutting, cleaning, and welding. So for cutting, it's very easy. Just to change the nozzle and make the welding beam just to 0, so it can be do cutting. And this one is for welding. This nozzle is for welding. And if you want to change to cleaning, you just to change your hood and change the focus length. Okay. So now let me introduce the touch screen. You can take a close look. You can see this is English, and we also can change it to German and Russian language. It's very easy. Let's take a look. Here we can change to language, Russian, German, and also Chinese, English. Okay. And here is just some parameters. This is the pass on time, pass off time. It's just for welding. And this is gas and gas off. So if you are very familiar, you can just adjust them, or you can just do some personal parameters. Okay. So return. So this is for welding, and this is a status. This is safety lock, blowing. This is cooling system. This temperature. So before you welding, you need to click the safety lock. So after that you can do welding. And there are also parameters like the process literally, so you can just input some parameters already saved. This is welding mode, continue and pass, so 2 welding mode, continuous welding or pass welding. And this is the wobble frequency, so it means the motor in the gun, the frequency of its working. Okay. And this one is laser power, you can input. Okay. And this is the laser frequency 3000, and this is wobble length, so it means the beam, the frequency is wobble length. We can change it. Okay. And this one is laser duty, and this one is fading speed, just for the wire feeder. So this is all for the welding mode. If you want to change it to cleaning mode, just click the same parameters here, and here is the authorization here, and put in the keywords, and it's going to be changed to our cleaning mode. So here, and now we have the password, so we'll just show you later. So let's you can see the patterns here. Just emergency stop, key switch, power lights, water tank, and laser source. Just show all the status. It's very easy to use this. Okay. So it's very easy to show. Now engineer can show you how to use it. Yes, you can see the welding seam is very wide and smooth. Very easy to operate. All right. So you can say it's very easy to operate, and effect is very good. Very smooth and easy operation. So now let me introduce you how to exchange it to cleaning head. So take off the cover and put into a new focus lens. This is a focus lens for cleaning head. Put it in. Put back the cover and take off the nozzles for the building head. Okay, just take all the parts. After that, put out our hood, the two parts. Okay, put it on with screws. Okay, fix it. Put on the hood. So the hood is put on. Okay, so it's already finished. Now let's try turn to cleaning mode. You see it's cleaning very fast. Good effect. Okay, now let me introduce the accessories of this welding machine. And if you want to change to clean head, just put onto the hood. This is a hood for clean head. And this is the focus lens for clean head. Put it onto the gun. And there is a box of nozzles for different kinds of welding. And you can see this is for wire feeders, the nozzle for wires feeders. And all this appendix comes with the machine. So, okay, thank you for your time. And if you want to do customization and put your logo on our machine, we can provide such service. And we will give you professional services and products. So thank you for your time. Thank you.